If you're the kind of person who views life as a series of expeditions, from scaling rugged trails to braving urban jungles, the KKTICK Tank T5 smartwatch might just be your new favorite companion. Uncompromisingly tough and smartly refined, this wearable is tailored for adventurers, athletes, and everyday explorers who need gear that goes the extra mile. One of the standout features is the offline GPS and real-time map tracking, no phone required. The watch comes preloaded with an offline map, and once paired with your phone for the initial sync, it works independently to guide you wherever you roam. Whether you're navigating remote mountain paths or unfamiliar city streets, the on-wrist navigation ensures you stay oriented without burning your phone battery or requiring a mobile signal. Tank T5 supports TWS earbud connectivity, allowing you to take calls, listen to music, or hear coaching prompts wirelessly while on the move. It's a subtle but welcome feature for users who want fewer wires and more freedom. The KKTICK Tank T5 delivers on its promise of being a rugged, high-functioning, all-terrain smartwatch. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a dedicated athlete, or just someone who wants gear that works as hard as you do, Tank T5 rises to the challenge, and then some. From offline GPS and long battery life to military-grade toughness and health monitoring, it's clear this isn't your average smartwatch. It's a tactical tool, a fitness coach, a navigation device, and a daily wearable, all wrapped into one beast of a watch.